In this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods to fix your Steam games not launching, so if you find the video helpful don't forget to subscribe and like it. The first method I'm going to show you is going to your library and then collections, and now just search for the game that is not launching. In this case, let's say it's Repo, this game right here. You just need to right click and then go to properties. Now go to install files and you are going to verify the integrity of the game files. So this way it will verify if the game files are installed correctly, and if there is any issue on the installation, it will download the correct files. So this has personally happened to me, and this often solves that issue. Then try launching the game again, and if it doesn't work, you can go to Steam, then settings, then downloads, and right here if we scroll down, you will find the option to clear the download cache. So as you can see, this might resolve issues downloading or starting applications. So you can click here and Steam will restart, and after it opens again, you should try opening the game. If nothing works, you can try restarting your computer or just uninstalling the game right here and then installing it back. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.